Hello students, welcome to 80 marks. Today we will solve one very important question from Standard 10 Maths Gujarat Board. The question is important for both Standard Maths and Basic Maths. Is from surface area. The question is two cubes, each of volume 64 centimeter cube, are joined end to end. Find the surface area of resulting cuboid. The question is given two cubes joined end to end, means the cubes like this, one cube and another cube joined end to end. Due to this, the shape created is cuboid, and we need to find the surface area of this resulting cuboid. Each cube having volume 64 centimeter cube. So here, whatever the given data, here given data is volume of cube. Volume of cube, which is 64 centimeter cube. As we know that formula for volume of cube is either A cube or L cube. A cube is equal to 64. By taking cube root on both the sides, A is equal to 4 centimeter. Here the side is A, means the A, width of cube, again A, width is also A, height is also A. We need to find the surface area of cuboid. So for that we have dimensions of cuboid. We are starting with length, breadth and height. Length of cuboid. Total length is A plus A, means 2 times A, means we can say 4 plus 4. Total length of cuboid is 8 centimeter. Width equals to A, which is 4 centimeter, and height of cuboid is equivalent to cube, which is A, 4 centimeter. Here length, breadth and height is 8, 4 and 4. Now surface area of cuboid. Here the surface area is not mentioned, whether it is lateral surface area or total surface area. If any question the surface area is not mentioned, then find the total surface area. So here we need to find total surface area, TSA of cube. Formula for TSA of cuboid, TSA of cuboid. Formula is twice LB BH HL. Put the value 2, length 8, width and height 4, breadth 4 plus B 4 into H is also 4, H 4, L 8. Here 8 4s are 32, 4 4s are 16, 4 8s are 32. 2. Total 32 plus 16 plus 32, 80. 2 into 80, 160 centimeter square. So the total surface area of cuboid resulting by joining end to end two cubes is 160 centimeter square.